Dear learners, today, the focus of my presentation is strategies of curriculum development. Watch the entire video. The video is followed by MCQs. Let us first try to understand various strategies of curriculum development. Curriculum development is a dynamic and systematic process that involves the design, implementation, and evaluation of educational programs. It encompasses a range of strategies aimed at creating effective, relevant, and meaningful learning experiences for students. Here's a detailed exploration of key strategies employed in curriculum development, along with examples. 1. Needs assessment strategy. Identify the educational needs of students, taking into account societal, cultural, and technological changes. Example, in a community where there is a growing demand for STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics skills, a needs assessment may lead to the development of a STEM-focused curriculum. 2. Stakeholder involvement strategy. Engage educators, students, parents, and community members in the curriculum development process to ensure diverse perspectives. Example, a school seeking to update its history curriculum may involve history teachers, parents, and local historians to provide insights and recommendations. 3. Clear educational goals and objectives strategy. Define clear, measurable, and achievable learning outcomes that align with educational goals. Example, in a language arts curriculum, a specific objective could be for students to demonstrate improved writing skills, evidenced through the creation of essays and creative pieces. 4. Alignment with standards strategy. Ensure that the curriculum aligns with state, national, or international educational standards to maintain quality and consistency. Example, a science curriculum may align with the Next Generation Science Standards, NGSS, to ensure students are meeting established benchmarks. 5. Interdisciplinary approach strategy. Foster connections between different subjects, promoting a holistic understanding of concepts. Example, a curriculum unit on environmental sustainability might integrate science, mathematics, and social studies to explore the multifaceted aspects of the topic. 6. Differentiation strategy. Design the curriculum to accommodate diverse learning needs, styles, and abilities. Example, in a mathematics curriculum, differentiation could involve providing alternative assignments or activities to meet the varied needs of students with different learning profiles. 7. Inquiry-based learning strategy. Promote student engagement and critical thinking by incorporating inquiry-based learning approaches. Example, a history curriculum might include projects where students investigate historical events, analyze primary sources, and present their findings. 8. Technology integration strategy. Incorporate technology tools and resources to enhance learning experiences. Example, an English literature curriculum might include the use of online discussion forums, digital texts, or multimedia presentations to engage students in literary analysis. 9. Formative and summative assessment strategy. Develop assessment strategies, both ongoing, formative, and final, summative, to gauge student progress. Example, a music curriculum may include formative assessments through weekly practice logs and summative assessments through performances or compositions. 10. Professional development strategy. Provide ongoing training and support for educators to implement the curriculum effectively. Example, a school introducing a new technology-focused curriculum might offer workshops, webinars, and mentoring opportunities to help teachers develop the necessary skills. 11. Continuous review and revision strategy. Establish mechanisms for regular evaluation and revision of the curriculum based on feedback, outcomes, and changing educational needs. Example, a language arts curriculum may undergo yearly reviews with input from teachers and assessments of student performance, leading to necessary adjustments. 12. Community connections strategy. integrate real-world connections and community involvement into the curriculum to make learning relevant. Example: a business education curriculum might involve partnerships with local businesses, allowing students to gain practical insights through internships or projects. 13. Culturally responsive practices, strategy. Ensure that the curriculum is inclusive and reflects the cultural diversity of the student population. Example: a social studies curriculum might incorporate diverse perspectives and contributions from different cultures throughout history. 14. Global perspective, strategy. Infuse global awareness and perspectives into the curriculum to prepare students for a globalized world. Example: a geography curriculum may include units on global issues, international relations, and comparative studies of different regions. 15. Sustainability education, strategy. Integrate themes of environmental sustainability and responsibility across various subjects. Example: a science curriculum might include modules on climate change, renewable energy, and ecological conservation. In conclusion, effective curriculum development involves a combination of these strategies, tailored to the specific needs, goals, and context of the educational institution. A well-designed curriculum is responsive to the evolving needs of students and society, engaging learners and preparing them for success in a rapidly changing world. Let us now solve some important MCQ-type questions. Question 1. What is the primary goal of needs assessment in curriculum development? To identify the needs of teachers. B. To determine the needs of students. C. To assess the needs of the community. D. To evaluate the needs of administrators. Correct answer: B. To determine the needs of students. Question 2. Why is stakeholder involvement important in curriculum development? To increase the workload of educators. B. To provide diverse perspectives and insights. C. To exclude community input. D. To speed up the development process. Correct answer: B. To provide diverse perspectives and insights. Question 3. What does alignment with standards ensure in curriculum development? Consistency in assessment. B. Exclusion of diverse perspectives. C. Rapid curriculum development. D. Lowering educational quality. Correct answer: A. Consistency in assessment. Question 4. What does an interdisciplinary approach in curriculum development emphasize? Isolating subjects from each other. B. Promoting a holistic understanding of concepts. C. Focusing on a single discipline. D. Ignoring real-world connections. Correct answer: B. Promoting a holistic understanding of concepts. Question 5. What is the main objective of differentiation in curriculum development? To standardize learning experiences. B. To promote diverse learning needs. C. To ignore individual abilities. D. To increase workload for educators. Correct answer: B. To promote diverse learning needs. Question 6. How does inquiry-based learning contribute to curriculum development? By limiting critical thinking. B. By excluding student engagement. C. By fostering critical thinking and engagement. D. By emphasizing rote memorization. Correct answer: C. By fostering critical thinking and engagement. Question 7. Incorporating technology in curriculum development aims to complicate the learning process. B. Distract students from core concepts. C. Enhance learning experiences. D. Reduce teacher effectiveness. Correct answer: C. Enhance learning experiences. Question 8. Why is continuous review and revision crucial in curriculum development? To make the curriculum static. B. To avoid improvement. C. To adapt to changing needs and outcomes. D. To increase workload for educators. Correct answer: C. To adapt to changing needs and outcomes. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Education and Teacher Education at Shokin Bilal.